How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today I'm going to show you this 8-inch rainfall shower head with a removable handle. First, let's unbox this. Got some instructions. There's a 10 by 10 nozzle, so there's 100 nozzles altogether. On the back, you have the filter. This threaded end goes to the shower head, and this side goes towards the wall outlet. The inlet of the filter is a lot stronger than the outlet. The outlet looks like it's some fiber paper keeping all the particles inside. It's all plastic and it's painted chrome on the outside. Our head. These nozzles are actually a little bit rubbery. You can see I can deform it a little bit with my fingernail. The center ones are all hard plastic. You turn it one way or the other to change the settings. On-off button, a little bit of hardware. There's a diverter switch and an O-ring. This allows you to change it between the fixed square shower head and this tethered one. It comes with this shower head holder that's attached with a sticky backing, a roll of plumber's tape, more O-rings, and another roll of the plumber's tape, and lastly a 150 centimeter hose. Nothing else in there and nothing in the back. Unscrew this holding cap. There's a screen mesh over here you need to keep. Attach it to one end of the hose. The other end of the hose has a washer already, and attach it to this. Remove the protective plug. Inside there's also a mesh washer. You want to keep that in there to keep small debris from entering your shower head and potentially clogging up any of your nozzles. Rinse water through the threaded end here. That's the way it's supposed to go in the shower head, just until it looks pretty clear. Of course, you gotta remove the old one. Clean off any of the previous thread and apply 3 to 5 rounds of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put one of the white washers into the filter and twist it on. You can do it by hand because this is a fairly big filter. Put one of the black washers into the 3-way diverter. You don't need Teflon tape on the plastic thread here, so just screw it on top. I would use my wrench to close this a little bit, but it does not fit. The little notch here is very narrow. We know we're gonna put the shower head here and also the hose over here. Wrap Teflon tape around those. 4. Make sure there's a mesh washer in the shower head. It also has a black ring which serves as a washer as well. So attach that right there. Just put your shower head on there to make sure it fits first. Remove the tape backing. Let's hope this is very sticky. That's pretty cool that you can just stick it on there without drilling any holes. Cool. And then this sort of tilts forward or back a little bit. If we turn this lever all the way to the other side, it'll turn on this little shower thing. If we turn on the other side, because this shower head is off, nothing comes out, I can push this button and it comes out. This is one of the nozzles. It's fairly strong. You can see it's lifting itself up just like that. Going to the middle, we got this other kind of shower head. It's a lot wider and not as much pressure. And then we can do a mist right here. And sort of in between too. This is the first level, second, which is a combination, and then third, which is fully only the outer ring. Fourth is like a little bit of mist and a little bit of the outer ring, and then finally all mist. And then if you want to stop it, you just push it. The hose comes right down and then up over there. I'm going to try and use this. I'll be right back. It feels luxurious. The little switch over nozzle allows you to switch it halfway and use both nozzles at the same time. It's not going to be as much pressure. It's going to be half pressure on both of them, but it's nice to have some water raining down on you and you can use the handle at the same time. First, high pressure mode. It's so high pressure that it actually hurts me a little bit. I can only use it at the second mode or third one. So depending on how much water pressure you have, it might be too much to use the first mode. So you really have 3 modes, and the modes in between is just a mixture of 1 and 3 and 3 and 5. The 5th mode is this mist mode, and my recommendation is to turn the water as hot as you can tolerate, and then when it gets hot enough, switch over to the mist mode. It gets dramatically colder. It's like this for all the shower heads that does mist mode, of course. So let's go back and measure how much water it uses. I'm gonna turn on the timer, turn on the water. Okay, that's 30 seconds. It's a little bit under 6 quarts and I dripped a little bit. So this is a 3 gallon a minute head. This one I got from the water utility company, and this says 1.5 gallons per minute. So this is about twice as fast. No wonder it feels more luxurious. Let me measure the shower head nozzle too. Setting 1 is high pressure, 2 gallons a minute. Setting 3 shower head is 2.5 gallons a minute. The mist one is 1.5 gallons per minute. If you guys are interested in this shower head, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.